Hello, and welcome to this video about the dangers and benefits of baking soda. While baking soda is a commonly used ingredient in households around the world, not many people know about all of the risks and rewards associated with it. On the benefits side, baking soda can be used for a variety of purposes. It's great for cleaning because it can remove tough stains and odors. It can also be used in cooking and baking as a leavening agent, and can even be used as a natural deodorant. However, there are also some serious dangers associated with baking soda. For starters, it's highly alkaline, which means it can cause chemical burns and irritation if it comes into contact with your skin or eyes. Ingesting baking soda in large amounts can also lead to serious health issues, including seizures, kidney failure, and heart problems. That's not all. Baking soda can also interact negatively with certain medications, such as blood pressure medications, and can even cause dangerous drug interactions. So, what's the takeaway here? Baking soda can be a useful household tool when used correctly and in small amounts. However, it's important to be aware of the risks and to take precautions when using it. Always wear gloves and other protective gear when using baking soda for cleaning, and avoid ingesting large amounts of it. Thanks for watching this video on the dangers and benefits of baking soda. If you found it helpful, please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.